Welcome to my channel and welcome to another edition of a real estate investment opportunity for Nigerians, both home and abroad. And I got you another offer, and this is first of its kind in real estate industry. By the time we are done with this video, you will agree with me that this is the first of its kind. And welcome once again to my channel. My name is Adisa Adewale, and welcome to your Nigerian #1 big real estate family channel, where you can buy and you can also sell property. So this is your big family. So all you need to do to be part of this family is to turn on the notification bell so that you can get updates in all of our subsequent video on real estate tips, real estate advice, and real estate opportunity. And welcome to the Mainland Heritage right here in Ikola Alagbado, Lagos, Nigeria. And this estate share boundary between Lagos and Ogun State, and this is Hilltop Estate, and we have over 10 estates inside this estate. So it's an estate within the community of an estate. We have a lot of estates. We have Agview, we have Western Hilltop, we have Treasure Hilltop, we have a lot of estate. We have La Vida Estate, and we have the Mainland Estate. And I want to show you on a tour right here. This estate comes with perimeter fencing. Once you buy, in fact, before we proceed, let's see what is happening right here. So any plot you are buying is fenced and is also gated. So let me show you the sample of what we have here. All right, as you are seeing, our gates is fenced, and we have two type of land here. We have 500 square meter, and we also have 250 square meter. So this one is 250 square meter, and you can choose any one you want. All of this estate is fenced around, and it comes with gates. This side is 500 square meter, so all of this one here is 500 square meter, and we have 250 square meter around. You can see the dual fence that we have right here. So if you are paying outright, is instant allocation on this estate. We have two type of land, 250 square meter and 500 square meter. And remember, this estate come with C of O as title. And this is the Mainland Heritage, and I've done a video tour from this place to Ikola Expressway, less than 6 minutes drive. We have done a video tour. And remember, this place share proximity with Oju-Ore, Ayobo, Ipaja, Command Day and Secondary School. It share proximity with major community within this area. And from here to Ikeja International Airport is around 30 minutes drive. So you can see the proximity to the city. Now, for 250 square meter, the current price is 15 million naira, and 500 square meter is 30 million. All you need to do is initial deposit of 3 million, and you can spread for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. So you can be one of those is going to be first allocated in this place. Give me a call right now. Community of estates. You can see development around here, and you can see the road network fast developing. Can you see road network here? One of the things that determine the value of a property is road. When there is a good road, you can see that development will come up sporadically, and you are seeing the road network down to this place. So for inquiries and inspection, give me a call on the number on your screen, and I will gladly assist you. Till I come your way, God bless you, and bye for now.